Begin by performing hand hygiene. Apply hand sanitizer, covering all surfaces of the hands, and rub until completely dry. Unfold the gown and face the back opening. Place arms through each sleeve. Secure the gown at the neck. Secure the gown at the waist, ensuring the back flaps fully cover clothing. Put on gloves, making sure the glove cuffs overlap the gown cuffs. Explain the procedure to the resident and provide privacy. Place a barrier on the floor under the urinary drainage bag. Place the graduated container on the barrier. Open the drain and allow urine to flow into the graduate until the bag is completely empty. Avoid touching the graduate with the tip of the tubing. Close the drain. Wipe the drain port with an alcohol wipe. Place the graduate on a flat, level surface. At eye level, measure the urine output accurately. Empty the graduate into the designated toilet or commode. Rinse the equipment. And empty the rinse water into the toilet or commode. Dry the equipment and return it to storage. Record the urine output in milliliters on the designated recording form. Ensure the measurement is within 25 milliliters of the RN test observer's measurement. Place the call light or signaling device within easy reach of the resident. Maintain respectful and courteous interactions at all times. Remove gloves before removing the gown. Using one gloved hand, grasp the palm of the opposite glove and remove it. Slide fingers from the ungloved hand under the cuff of the remaining glove and remove it, turning it inside out. Dispose of gloves properly. Unfasten the gown at the waist, then at the neck. Remove the gown without touching the outside. Hold the gown away from the body and avoid touching the floor. Turn the gown inward, keeping it inside out, and dispose of it properly. Hand washing. Turn on the water. Wet hands and wrists thoroughly. Apply soap and rub hands together using friction. Scrub hands for at least 20 seconds. Interlace fingers with fingertips pointed downward. Wash all surfaces of the hands and wrists. Clean fingernails by rubbing fingertips against the palm of the opposite hand. Rinse hands and wrists thoroughly under running water with fingers pointed downward. Dry hands and wrists starting at the fingertips using clean paper towels. Discard used paper towels. Turn off the faucet using a clean, dry paper towel and discard it. Do not recontaminate hands at any time during the hand washing procedure.